Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a curbside video today, and this is the week of September the 18th. Curbside is you order this stuff through the Walgreens app, desktop, computer, or cell phone or tablet, drive to the store and pick it up. You're hitting that blue box on the left-hand side. For some of these deals, if you use the code FAST10, extra percentage off. However, you got to get the math to balance if you're using it in concert with a booster. So if the FAST10 dips your number down to like $24.98, you might not be rewarded back the amounts that were, like spend 20, get back 5, that sort of a thing. So really pay attention if you're going to use codes. These are the two boosters that we're looking at, the 5 back when you spend 20 and the 5 back when you spend 25. They are in fact stacking. So you do not want to dip below that threshold with a Fast 10, but if you're just buying stuff, by all means use the code FAST10. Hopefully we're on the same page. Now, by chance, if you are more of an in-store shopper and you really are not a fan of curbside, please check out this video that I made yesterday. I'll link it at the very end, where I had a lot of success stacking 2 boosters and doing a whole bunch of stuff. So if you're more of an in-store shopper, this is the video for you, linked at the very end. You could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. You'd really be helping me out. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Completely free to subscribe to my channel, and it would mean the world to me. The first piece of business I want to talk about before we dive into the deals is there was a lot of confusion in yesterday's video. So in store for the Tresemme, it is to buy 2, get back a $5 register reward as per the fine print in the ad. However, it's not tagged that way, but it's in the digital flyer. As a curbside pickup, you have to buy 3 to get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So just really keep that in the forefront if you're like, well, my store doesn't allow it. Yes, they do. It's just not tagged properly. But I went and tested it out. I show the register rewards and the deal. Check out the video linked at the very end for more information on this. Okay, deal number 1, we're working with these 2 boosters, which is 5 back when you spend 20 and 5 back when you spend 25. So if you spend 25, you're getting back 10. We're going to grab 2 of the 3-in-1 Axe, like shampoo, conditioner, does everything for you, for $7.48. Load this digital coupon, which is a $4 off. Double, triple check your fetch rewards. There might be a rebate as well for this guy as well. We're going to grab 3 of these PUFFS tissues for $5.97. If you know about PUFFS. And we have a 2 off of 3. I have a full dedicated matchup at the end with nothing but PUFFS, if that's your thing, at the end of this video. And then we're also grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos for $10.98. We have a 2 off 2 IVC coupon. And then there's also a 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer. Both of those should stack. So there it is. I know that a lot of us were trying to use this one last week, but it didn't work digitally for me for whatever stupid reason. And then 2 of these Kinder Bueno bars for $2.58. And the final digital that you're going to load is a 3 off of 2, which is attaching to those candy bars. Now, just to give you a quick little peek, all of the digital coupons that are attaching, here is your gorgeous chorus line of coupons. OMG, look at that. So looking at the overall basket, guys, the total was $27.01. $2 off for IVC, curbside pickup is free, $1.35 in tax here in Michigan, and $11.58 in manufacturers coming off. With your debit card, pay the $11.78. You're getting your 2 boosters back for $10.27 back. Fabulous deal to get this whole basket of goodness for $4 and some change. This is a very, very good deal. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. We have the 5 back when you spend 20, and then we're working with 20 back when you spend 60. We're going to be grabbing this best friend, which is the Oral-B IO for $79.99, a very expensive toothbrush. Now, this is a for you coupon, meaning not everybody received it, but if you have it and you want to do this deal, load it for this one. Just to show you guys, when I was checking out, the toothbrush is $79.99. Fast 10 is taking off $6. So for my total to spend, 60 to get back 20, I'm still at $73.99, so that would work in this case. My $20 digital is also coming off, curbside pickup right there. So I'm paying with my debit card $58.43, and I'm getting back $40. I'm getting back 15 for spending 50 on this toothbrush, which is a P&G promotion. I'm also getting back another 25 from the 2 boosters, so that's 40 on the nose. Remember, pay your debit card for the balance. It shakes this guy out to $13.99 for a very expensive toothbrush. This is looking like a Christmas gift for somebody in your family. Okay, so this next deal that we're looking at, again, we're playing with our 2 booster friends, 5 back when you spend 20 and then 5 back when you spend 25. Just to note, these are of a one-time use, so pick wisely which deal you want to do. We're going to grab one of the Olay Super Serums for $34.99. If you don't want to put those candy bars, you don't have to, but I just threw them in. We have a 15 off of one of those serums. And that is a just for you as well, so not everybody got that digital coupon. And then this 3 off 2 for the Bueno bars. But if you do not wish to put the Bueno bars, you do not need it for the balance because you're already at $34 and some change for that Olay serum. As you can see, the digital coupons are melting off right here. Looking at the overall basket, guys, $37.57. Curbside pickup is free, $2.10 in tax, $17.58 coming off. With your debit card, pay $22.09, and then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters that are attaching. So what a great little deal. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. And again, we're working with our 2 friends, the 2 different boosters. This is a hodgepodge of items if this is your sort of thing. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Suave deodorants for $1.49. There's also a 50 cent on ShopMe for that, so you're going to have to look for that rebate on the ShopMe app. And then 3 of the PUFFS tissues. We're going to load the 50 center for the one Suave, and don't forget to check your ShopMe for another 50 cent rebate for that specific deodorant. And then for the PUFFS, we have a $2 off of 3, so basically one of them is completely free. And then we're also going to grab 3 of the Tresemme shampoos for $18 on the nose. And buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. And we have this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have that friend loaded. Okay, guys, so looking at this, all of our digital coupons are melting off. How lovely is that? And we are well past our $25 threshold as well. We're at $26.95, $7.50 melting off. With your debit card, pay $21.07, and then you're getting back $15.26, making this a fantastic basket. Remember to use your debit card for the balance as you're using 2 spend boosters. Final deal that we're looking at includes no boosters, but if you know, you know. I know a lot of us are big fans of PUFFS. We're going to grab 4 of these for $7.96. They're $1.99 a pop. And we're going to grab 3 of the ones with the lotion for $5.97. Put the lotion in the basket. Okay, and we are going to load the following digitals that include a 2 off of 3. Along with a 3 off of 4. So very high value coupons just popped up. They don't expire until sometime in October. So definitely load them for a deal. And then we're also going to put in 3 of these Bueno bars for $3.87. And remember, we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So make sure you have that guy loaded for this deal. Just to show you the pretty little chorus line of digitals that's melting off. A $2 for the PUFFS, $2.58 for Lavazza, or for the Buenos, and then a $3 for the PUFFS. And the overall basket is $17.80. Curbside pickup is free. $7.58 melting off. So you're going to pay $11.06. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $1.06 and call this a genius deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.